Hey crafty friends, it's Andrea here from Andreakaycrafts, and I'm here to show you some of the new things that Cricut has released. Just to put it out there, it is storming here, so if you hear the rain, I apologize. It's very loud right now. But I digress. We're going to move on. The first thing I'm excited about is the DTF transfers. So we're going to click on that, and I know what you're thinking, like they've had DTF transfers, but now they have the DTF Gang Sheets. So if you're not familiar what a gang sheet is, it's where you can put a ton of different images or designs or multiple designs on one sheet. And they can be as large as, let me click on the gang sheets. The first start off is 11 inches by 14 for $10.78, but then it goes all the way down to a 22 inch by 84 inch layout, which that is a little pricey, and think about all of the design space that you're getting to put designs on. So if you are making something for a family reunion or a group setting, you could get all of them printed out on one of these gang sheets and you would have like a ton made easily. They're just going to print them out for you. They're going to ship them to your house and you're just going to press them onto whatever you want to press them on and you're done. You don't have to do any weeding or anything like that. So I do think this is a great idea. Now here are the prices. 11 by 14 is $10.78. 12 by 17 is $14.28. I think it says 22 by 24 is $13.99. Then you're getting into the ginormous ones. The 22 by 60 is a $34.99. And then the 22 inch by 84 inch is $48.99. Now I want you to take a look at the options with these. So if I click on the largest one, I just want to show you what that's going to look like. And I'm going to keep this. This is the 84 inch one. And I just made butterflies and put a ton of them on here. You could fit even more things on this. I just wanted to give you an idea of just how many images that you could put on this gang sheet and be able to have. Now I'm looking here to see if I could fit, how many more I could fit on here. Let me finish this one out. So let's see, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 28 images that are 7. Let me see, what are the sizes of these? 7.05 by 5 inches. That's a lot of images. Those would be cute for like pocket size images where you would put it on the pocket size, or if you were doing hats, or maybe you're making can koozies or something like that. And imagine how many you could get on one of these gang sheets. Now, here's the thing. You don't have to use a gang sheet to do this. I did this with my very first DTF order with Cricut. I went in and I decided to use a plain DTF transfer. And I did I think a 10 by 10 is what I did. Yes, I think I did a 10 by 10. And then I did the exact same thing with the 10 by 10. I just added my images that I wanted and I made my own little gang sheet out of one of these. So you don't have to only use the sizes of the gang sheet that it offers you. You can use the regular sizes like for a t-shirt perhaps, and you could add your gang sheet like images all on here. And that's what I did. So let me just grab this butterfly. So say we want a butterfly and then maybe we want a birthday cake. So I'm just picking obviously off images just to show you how you could do a regular gang sheet with what they already offer for the t-shirt size. Because look, this is what it's going to look like if you actually put this on a t-shirt. But say you wanted to make a shirt that has a butterfly that's 7.05 by 5 inches. I mean, that's a pretty good size of butterfly, right? That's a nice size. So that would fit nicely. And then maybe you wanted to add a cake. Maybe it's somebody's birthday or little Susie is having a special party and she wanted a shirt with a cake on it. We could fit this cake in right here. Next, maybe we want this heart. And we know we want to put this heart onto a cap or a hat. So we could make it fit right here and just keep going with your designs. And then you could fill up an entire sheet that looks like it would go on a shirt, but really you're filling it with all the small designs that you want to make for other things, can koozies. Um, if you like to make your own, like napkins, like cloth napkins, you could put a bunch of them on this image as well. But you have so many options out there. You don't have to just use the gang sheet one to fill up the image because the prices are less to do it this way, right? So let's go back and I'll take out the preview project and let's look at the prices for these. So the 9.5 by 9.5 is $6.32. The largest here is 11.4 by 11.4 for $9.10. So 11.4, let's click on the gang sheet and see what the options are. So 11 by 14 inch is $10.78. You actually might get more by doing this. So I would just recommend playing around with the different sizes, looking at the prices, seeing what's going to give you the best like the most cost effective for you to work with. But I think this is a really fun way to get a lot of designs printed out and then shipped to your house. All right, so that's the first thing I wanted to share with you today. Now there's another thing that Cricut came out with. So let's cancel this and let's go to new. And I'm going to pick a blank canvas and I'm going to click start designing and replace. And then I'm going to go home because the new crochet and knit patterns, I think, are such a great addition to Design Space. So it tells you right now you're getting 20 credits. All right. I know everybody gets upset, but 20 credits is great. If you are a premium access member, I believe you get 200 credits, but I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure that's how that works. I'm actually going to find out because I'm switching my, right now I just have standard. I'm going to bump up to premium because I know I'm going to be using all of these around the holidays. And I definitely want to have that option to have as many as possible. Now it asks you, do you want to do knit or crochet, wearables, blankets, and toys, which I think are so cute. Or it says start with a moment. I love this. You could make your first pattern. So beginner friendly picks are in here. Let's check it out. And it's showing you all these beginner friendly things that you can make. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love the basket. I'm all about baskets. Look at that. The little puppy. I mean, there's so many options. There's 342 loaded. Oh, I love this too. That's cute. So you have options like that. And then you can decide whether you want beginner, easy, you can clear all, and you can start all back over. Look how adorable that is. Now we can just, where it says browse all patterns, we can look through everything. Look at this blanket. That's so pretty. Years ago, I started a 10-stitch blanket and I've never been able to finish it. It's a knitted pattern, but I get so far in the pattern and then I get lost and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So if anybody has advice on the 10-stitch blanket, let me know, reach out. I've tried it 100,000 times. All right, so then it has a total of 622 patterns currently. I'm sure there's going to be more added, but I just think that is so cool that they're adding things like this for all the crafters out there. So let's go ahead and let's just say I want to choose one. If I were to choose any of these, I think I would choose something like this, like a cute headband. So let me click on it. And then all you have to do is download your pattern. Now, here's something to look at. This pattern will cost you 4 credits. So that tells me that all of the different designs are going to cost different amounts of credits for you. So this one, and it tells you the yarn weight you need, the gauge that you want to use, the finished dimensions, available sizes you can pick from, and the description. So we're going to go ahead and just buy this one because I know that, and it tells you what it is. If it's crochet, it tells you the level that it's at. My daughter can crochet very well. My mother can crochet. So I'm going to download the pattern and it's going to say it's going to cost me 4 credits, which is going to leave me a 16 credit balance. I'm going to click download pattern. I'm going to open my file. Oh, and look, it even has the photo of it. Oh my goodness. All right, this is perfect. All right, so this does have copyright. You're welcome to sell your finished items from this pattern in any manner you choose. However, do not copy and share or redistribute the actual pattern. So you can't sell them this, but you can sell them a finished product. I think that's awesome. And then all you have to do is print this out. So I'm going to go over to my printer and I'm going to click print. And then you can just print your pattern and stick it in a binder and keep it safe. And then you can always go back to it. So I think that's an amazing addition to what Cricut already offers. I know that there's things they could change. I 100% get that. I know that like people are probably going to say, I wish they would have came out with something, different or fixed something, but they came out with this instead. I mean, I'm good with that. I love that they're coming out with new things all the time because I know that they're working on the quirks and things that are going on in design space. But I really think they're on top of that. They're really trying to manage the community and just give us what we're asking for. And I know this was something that was asked for, was give us more options for the DTF. I'm hoping the stickers are next. That's just my feeling. I'm hoping that they end up doing DTF stickers. I think that would be so smart of them to do. But I don't know, and I don't know that. I just think that would be a great addition. But the patterns, genius. I'm hoping that Cricut comes out with eventually cross-stitching like a machine, not a cross stitch, embroidery machine. That would be amazing. I know Cricut can do it. They're capable of doing anything. I would love to see an embroidery machine by Cricut. It would probably be ginormous dollars, but I think it would be great to have. All right, so it's almost done printing out, but I just think this would be so cute to be able to like expand your crafting. Like Cricut's really reaching out to all different crafters. So let me get this out of my printer and then I'll show you what this ends up looking like. So then I just printed this out. It printed out really nicely too. And it shows you how to measure the head size, how to know what stitches, like approximate stitches are. You have a chain stitch, a straight stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, slip stitch, and a skip. So that's pretty understandable, right? And then it says Crochet by Jennifer is who made this design. You can follow her on the internet. Amazing. I love it. It even tells you like toddler, child, teen, adult, or yeah, large adult. I think that's great. So you have all of these great options and I'm just excited that Cricut's coming out with new things and they're like quietly launching things. Oh, I just realized my one light's not on. I apologize, guys. But I think this is great. Please let me know your thoughts on this because I would love to hear it. And I will see you guys in the next video coming up soon. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.